Ya mwachi biem samu akwa Badwam TV Badwam jumede no eso. Yada Apostle Dr. Nite Kutegwa say eni nkranshensem. De adu so ne Badwam kase nsam no ne etodwa wo mu bi ya wo betini. Oso afọ hwe yen sikasam nsam so de ato Ghana Gold Board enim se wonfa one draft bill emra na yenhwe kwan ye befa so na yen gold ho ton no ye behunu so wo mayi emu na afa yakoyen nsam foforo mu ne akọhwe stadium kwanta South ene yaba beto dwase nwumasua aye bibie wo ho ni nyina gina ntokwa ya ekoso wo ho no edo ne nsem bi na no pay mede bro Adom TV Badwam kase o share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 uko YouTube search Adom TV 2 kwadomonline.com ensem we ni bebre so ewo ho medidi afia amankwa tamaklo faster than Mama Joy Trish on atadi bako ene hyemi afia ne dem yentie sede nsem ni chiremu etie osofo ya ohwesika samu nsemu eya to Fortson the Nay Gold Board Committee ya yatie se one more emwa yensika samu no wo ma ye ne se wonhwe na wonfa one draft bibi emra na match bosome de toso enwotwe no wo mo enhwe ho ensem nyina sebe ya yebehunu gold ye wo mem ne ton ene ho faso I
urge you, the committee, to work diligently and efficiently to fast-track the realization of this noble objective. I also entreat all of you, including the industrial players and stakeholders, to give this initiative its maximum support. Ladies and gentlemen, the members of the technical committee tasked with the drafting and developing the operationalization of this framework for the Ghana Gold Board include experts from relevant institutions. Their diverse expertise will ensure the development of a comprehensive and robust legal and operational framework for the establishment of Ghana Gold Board.
Abra womo edanidi enipa womo Ghana Gold Board eso acting managing director Emma PMMC Sami Jemfi editu dwase
Indiana Bank of Ghana to good, PMMC to good, Mefe to good, India food to good, Pakistan food to good, Ghana food to good. Akoye bebre basa confusion galo. Ena ma good bo aye den wo Ghana. Enti se nipa kro no obeso onyam faso a dodo na do so to good na wa smuggle se ne be ya wontua tax. Na ne ka beba fo no wetime nyam faso. Adwuma no faso ni nyina no asa. Na onya smuggle sa peso a ne je se dollars e wo se kesan so back. $1 support to Ghana city yenya.
Legal Council Emma Omampeni Marita Jewa enso editu dwase border womo atia wono eka ho bi no obehwe se one ne manfo ebetu so anamon na 24 hour womo de aye dwumaden e de atro sa drafting
Yankonkwanta South ye otimantam ne mu na afrasa ne mu ade abewura fi mu ntokwa ekoso na ka ho bia ma nwomesua him ewo ho achachire fonts no gujam fisade achi bia yeti bibi foforo na no na director ohwe nwomesua so obusa kromafo se teacher fo betimi de won rush o mu ana abra basabasa bia nkoso nti ama adesua no ho nsema ye bibi kase no etwaso.
Now last year you had the same similar situation. Echo any community any Emma your teachers na assurance say omo back na BBAC education any security echo yes campaigning na to the extent say peace work in so far na you say peace about in Kwanta teachers betting me a child there, but unfortunately 2 weeks near nyamana sampega hu bio ama about 579 teachers ayewo a district omu nyina akwa edwane akwa pe bibia ombete bibia enka omu na uhwa 9237 in kola na sesi omu be school
Jufrikene Enkwanta South Mashibedwani ode ato aso ye hwa adesua ho nsem so no ene abofuo nyina enemu se ema won pre won ho so be ma adesuafo no asen akosku mu akosua de ekosi se asumdue ebeba ekrom ho no mo
na aba ama asumdue ni ho eji nipa nkwa nipa ewu Ti say wo say wo ba e ko school emrekura emu ndu ya. The risk element is very high. Yen nyina ye betwen say ye bebo ye hu body na ya pre asumdie dia ba asumdie ne ba dia ye nkwala beto asumusu.
Osofo a ye no foforo Ministry of Local Government, Chieftaincy and Religious Affairs. Ahmed Ibrahim na enu ne dedi kan ya wo call asoye ho. O de to adwumayefo ni nyina nim se nyenyimu enka bomu ene adwumaden eye no wo hwe fi obia ho so ombe de aboa asoye no.
Because aban sisan bebre ni omo so o aban ya sisan e bia na campaign ta obi koye be bibi osoro so mbe yinadi obi soro so mbe transfer no internet was say make catch omo say no ye nyina ye Ghana for o koye campaign mi so me koye campaign na ye ya wini but ye ko say ye ba be ye Ghana yi enti obi anyi soro mfiri ne mo na ye nyina ye nkambom na ye nya oman ne yi na eni so adi hu na omampanyine di koma Ghana for moto abama no na ye mfanye adwuma na obia wo na famu dia e wo se oye na ama oman no atumi ayeye
Swafu yi asan so de ato panyini a woda local government service animu se adwumayefo a wonom ewo metropolitan municipal and district assemblies ohamienu ani dusia ba akumu no won kan wonom nyina no hunu wonom dodo.
Local government service, if you go to my district, the number of staff there are over 200 or close to 200, but every day you have only 20 or 30 at work. And I know it applies to most of the ministries. I've supervised most of them. So we will work together with you. Once you are punished and the person comes to me, I will not beg you. So you must give an instructive circular to all the various MMDEs that there will be a head count. And we will digitize all the various MMDAs to make sure that everybody who is at post is always at post.
Ghana Yamam Penny, John Dramani Mahama, na Edensemfo bi tudwa kire de eha abibima yen kanko ne African Union no nyina ne se yebehunu ne aye wo ne yebesom ye ne aye ho adwuma. Osese de ye ho ato abrofo no so no eno so eka ho so ye wo ne ma aye me ani ko ho a yebetumi aboa ma abibima nkabom ko no yedu ye mbota ye eho wo no na wode ne nsem koto dwa wo African Union Financial Freedom ase. One
of the fundamental pillars of reform is AU's financial autonomy. The over-reliance on external partners for funding compromises the organization's independence and ability to set its own agenda. The implementation of the Kigali decision on financing the Union must be expedited. A self-reliant African Union is not just a vision we have, it is an imperative to achieve.
John Dramani Mahama esan katwa so say samaya wonom Adom African Union etena sedi won sahye wonom demiri famu a enya de se botayesi won ni so se obede won ho no obetumi adru hu age se woye adwumaden asana sa botaye no won se atumi aka.
The AU has demonstrated its potential as a unifying force. However, the challenges we face today demand more than just incremental progress. They require some bold and transformative reforms. Our continent faces a unique set of challenges: youth unemployment, food insecurity, climate change, governance deficits, and conflicts in many regions.
Kanema mpani abedi ache Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na de to abibima mpanifo nyina nim sebre no aso se yetimi ehye yen kabima menkabi amamu no mu edene ye nyina beka ye ho abomu na eno tichu betimi aboa ama yadu yen bota ye ho ewo democracy.
Let us direct and harness the positive energy of young people in a way that creates opportunities for them to realize their potential and to reduce their vulnerability to being deployed by predatory forces for ruinous causes. The youth can make or unmake our democracy. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, strengthening democracy is not an event. It will require sustained efforts, collectively applied to multiple sectors, institutions, and structures.
Urane kasaye mu no sisudua se afimpinu ene edunu na abato oba wieye na bra na isi emfa metudwa enkyere ne a wadi mu nkunimu a ono ankasa ba abontene ebegitu mu se wadi ntwo no o mu se na manfo bi a wonom ewo na manyoku ni mu kura no ene ne nyaadwene nenso besini ya no wono de ohunu ne sa na mo a wotuye no ne kwan so a eno no.
By 3 a.m. on Sunday, because the election was on Saturday, it was obvious from the data that we had received from our collation centers that my opponent, the former president and now president, John Dramani Mahama, had decisively won the election. I knew, so by 3 a.m. I had come to this conclusion that we had lost the election.
Menya no sana Adom TV Badwam kasia na ha na brema kwan anope ye de asia sedane ye wodia emre no wadaje adaroma ye kwa ba de bonkrata no ene online de na to so twen ye kwa ba